Students, today we are discussing about 10 more general knowledge questions. So the first question is, folk painting Madhubani is famous in which state? The answer is Bihar. Next, which is the tree requiring minimum water for its growth? The answer is bubble. Next, which post does the Constitution of India does not mention? The answer is the Deputy Prime Minister. Next, which country is the largest producer of bauxite? The answer is Australia. Next, which Indian ruler was a contemporary of Akbar? The answer is Rani Durgavati. Next, how are oxygen and ozone? The answer is allotropes. Next, from where did India introduce cultivation of tobacco, tapioca and pineapple? The answer is South America. Next, when was the Reserve Bank of India taken over the government? The answer is 1948. Next, which is found on the western coast of constituents between 30 degree and 40 degree latitude? Answer is Mediterranean climate region. Next, which school of paintings developed independently during the Mughal period? The answer is the Bijapur school. So for more videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.